Hey, did you hear? Our class is going to Bali for the school trip.
What? Really? It's amazing.
Yeah, I just saw the announcement to the board.
I don't trust you. The test score on my chemistry test yesterday.
Wow, what a surprise!
Yes, even the I didn't open my textbook.
I can't control. Hey, the teacher said we have a surprise test today.
Oh my gosh, are you for real?
Yeah, she already preparing the paper.
That's hard to believe. My sister just good ujuk in Japan.
My goodness, incredible.
Yeah, she'll move the next month.
That's impossible.